Hey guys, good morning. It is time to get ready and to get pumped up for our first ever East High School DECA Next Level Training Challenge. So I hope you guys are excited about this. We know right now that the week of November 30th is going to be our district competition. We've got details that are going to be coming out for you about that, but I'm sure you can probably imagine by now, we're going to be doing your role plays virtually and then recording that video similar to Flipgrid, but it's going to be a little different. And we're also going to have your test, which will be online as well. For those of you that are some DECA alumni and you've done this before, there will be some changes to your test that I think you probably are going to be really happy about. But for those of you that are new students, don't worry about any of this. Mrs. Rutherford and I will walk you through the details. But to get ready, you probably noticed that we've been doing some preparation in your classes. But we also want to give you an opportunity to really take it to that next level. So that's why this year we developed the DECA Next Level Challenge. So here's how this whole thing's going to go down. It's going to start today, Monday, November 16th, and it's going to run until next Friday, November 27th. So it's going to run for 2 weeks. And yes, we didn't make a mistake. We know that you have Thanksgiving break next week, but we actually wanted to extend it through that because we thought that for some students, it might be difficult to squeeze in one more thing into your school day. So how does this whole event work? There are going to be 5 different activities that are uploaded right now into our DECA Schoology page, and I'm going to show you how that works in just a minute. You have an opportunity to go in and complete as many as you would like, and all of the different activities that are going to be in here are designed to help you excel in that district competition. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this prize thing's going to go down. So if you complete one of the 5 activities, you're going to have an award of one of these next level stickers. So these next level stickers are kind of like our other DECA stickers. They're going to be those vinyl stickers that you can put on your laptop or a water bottle or a little something like that. So this is going to be your prize if you complete 1. If you complete 3 of the activities, then the prize is going to be this DECA lanyard right here. So it's got the logo and everything else. So it's going to be this DECA lanyard, excuse me. And if you complete all 5, then you're going to get a chance to win these super cool DECA sunglasses that have the DECA diamonds on the left-hand side. And I think I've got blue, and I think I've also got silver. So those are your prizes, and then how do you move on to that next level? So the way that you actually do it is you're going to come over to your DECA Schoology page, and when you take a look in your DECA Schoology page, you're going to come down and take a look at the calendar. So when we come on down and take a look at the calendar, you can see that each of the challenge items have a due date of the 27th, but by all means, they're open right now, so you can do them at any time that you actually like to do that. So when you go in, you're going to be able to see that it's going to actually be as an assignment, but none of your DECA stuff, you don't really get graded on this. But it's set up like an assignment because we know that's what you're familiar with within Schoology. So again, we're going to come on back over here. You can decide how many of these next level challenges that you would actually like to do. This is where I would recommend that you find them. And then just to give you a quick idea, how are we going to know who did what? It's pretty cool that we have this set up as a class because we can come over to the grade book. There are no grades in here. We can come over to the grade book, and it's going to give us a chance to just see the completion level of these different things. Remember that none of this stuff really is a grade book that counts towards GPA. It's not a real grade. It's not anything like that. But it's a really nice system that can give us a chance so that we can keep track of all of these different things. So I hope you guys get out there and take a chance and try out our next level challenge because we want everybody to do the best they can in that district competition. All right, see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.